Today, we're learning how to fast forward or speed up a clip to create a time lapse or quick motion effect. Let's jump right in. First, import your video into the timeline and select the clip you want to speed up. Go to the Speed tab in the right side editing panel. Here you'll find a speed slider that lets you increase the speed of your clip. Simply drag the slider to the right to make the clip play faster. You can also adjust the duration of the clip to control how long it plays. Shortening the duration will automatically speed up the clip. Another way to adjust the speed is by dragging the orange bar at the top of the clip in the timeline. Pulling it inward will increase the speed, making the clip play faster while maintaining smooth playback. Once you've made your adjustments, play the video in the preview window to check the effect. If needed, tweak the speed settings until you're happy with the result. And that's it. Now you know how to fast forward or speed up a clip in Filmora. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick Filmora tips